What is the web application? Explain the role of web server and web container. MCS 220 वेब टेक्नोलॉजी और इग्नू में पूछे जाने सबसे कॉमन क्वेश्चंस. The a web application is software program store the remote server that user access through the web browser like Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer, like over the internet. Unlike desktop application, web application do not require the local installation and focus on user interactivity, such as online banking, social media, e-commerce. Role of web server. The web server act of entry point client request is primarily responsible include request handling, a listing the incoming HTTPS request from the browser. जैसे आपने यहाँ पे कुछ लिखा, जैसे हम यहीं पे लिखे तो सर्वर को प्रोसेस किया, दैट इज रिक्वेस्ट. स्टैटिक कंटेंट डिलीवर, a retrieved and serve the static files don't change such as HTML document, CSS style sheet, image and JavaScript files. Security and routine is often handled the SSL site security level, TSL encryptions, URL rewriting, and act as a gateway of vector that forward the complex request to the appropriate processing engine. Example: Apache, HTTP server, Nginx and Microsoft का IIS जो सबसे ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है. Role of web container. The web container, also called the web containers, serverlet web container, also called as a serverlet container, is specialized the component that handle the dynamic part of the web application. Its role included life cycle management, is to manage the entire life cycle of the serverlet side component like servers, JSP, including the installation, executions and instructions. Dynamic processing, when your request require the calculation or data retrieval, logging or searching database, the web container execute the Java code, generate the custom response letter on fly. Communication bridge, it translates the raw HTTP request into Java object like the Java server request that application code can understand. Then server converts the code of output back into the HTTP response web browser send the client. Example: Apache, Tomcat, Jetty, Underdraw. How they work together? In the typically 2025 workflow, the web browser receives the user request. If the user asks the simple image, the web server provide it directly. If you user submit from the web server hand then request web container which run the necessary business logic and send the result back of server.